My name is Ravi Tiwari, and if you're watching this video, I would like to congratulate you on buying a new MacBook, and I assure you that you won't regret. This video is also useful for those who have just shifted from Windows to MacBook for the first time. So in this video, I would like to share 5 basic points which are must after you set up your MacBook for the first time. To cut short, let's start with point number 1. So the first point I would like to tell here is how to adjust the tracker speed. If you are a new MacBook user, very shortly you will realize that your tracking speed is very slow and you need to swipe many times on your trackpad to go from one side of the screen to the other, which is not efficient. And to customize it to your comfort, what you have to do is to go to System Preferences. Select trackpad, and there you have the tracking speed. Before adjusting the tracking speed, I would like to show you how many times do I have to swipe to go from one corner of the screen to other. Let's go to corner. Swipe 1, swipe 2, swipe 3. Oh, that's my default setting to put my computer on sleep. Now, I would like to adjust my tracking speed to my comfort level. And now I will show you what difference it makes. So in single swipe, I can go from one corner of the screen to other. Let's go to point number 2. Adding volume tab on the menu bar. Though you can always control your volume from the touch bar, but while you're doing multitasking and listening to a music in the background, the volume tab does not appear in the touch bar, which is quite annoying if you have to mute your background urgently. Hence, I prefer keeping my volume tab to the menu bar, and to do that you have to go to System Preferences, Sound, and then you have to check the box which says Show Volume in Menu Bar. And there you go. You have your volume button on your menu bar, and now you can press it to adjust the desired sound. The third point is how to customize your dock. The MacBook comes with standard preset dock settings, which have applications that you might probably never use, and you might have to look around your system for the apps that you use often. So to customize your dock according to your usage pattern, go and select the app that you don't want. So say for example, I don't use FaceTime much and I want to remove it. What I'll do, I'll come on FaceTime, I'll hold it and drop it on the desktop and go on. The second way of doing it, press 2 fingers on the taskbar and then you have an option to remove from the dock and it's gone. Vice versa, if you want to add any application to your dock bar, go to Applications. I want to add chess on my dock, and this is how I'm going to do it. So if there's an application that I use regularly but it's not in the dock, the other way of adding is that I have to hold it and bring it here. Now this application will remain in dock for your convenience. Also, if you find your dock uncomfortable at the bottom, there are many settings that you can do with that. Let's go to System Preferences. Let's go to the dock and bar menu. And here I can adjust the size of the dock as per my requirement. I might not like my dock bar on the bottom. I can put it on the left side of the screen or on the right side of the screen as per my comfort. I like it bottom, so I'll keep it at the bottom. And the fourth point is how to take a screenshot on your MacBook. To take a screenshot, you have to press Command Shift and 3. And there you are. The screenshot is saved on your desktop. And to customize your screenshot settings, you can press Command Shift 5. And there you are. You can customize your preferences from options. For example, where to save your screenshot. I would like to save it on desktop. Do you want to set a timer to your screenshot? Do you want to see the screenshot floating thumbnail on the right before you save it on your desktop? If yes, then you can select it from here. And now if you capture you will see a thumbnail on the right, which will get automatically saved on the desktop after its time. There it is. The fifth point, how to use stacks. I have seen many people save most of the work on the desktop for easy access and ultimately creates a mess, and which makes one inefficient. And here MacBook comes to your survival. You can use MacBook stack settings, which will reduce your work in no time. How to do it? I will show you. Just see, I have so many files on my desktop which I might need to manage. And to do that, I will press two fingers on my trackpad, or I might right click on my mouse to go for an option. And here you can see use stacks, and immediately you see that my system stacks all my file in the preferable folders, all images in image folder, all music in music folder, all my videos in movies folder, and so on. So these were the most basic points to set up once you buy a MacBook. And if you want to know more about the basic settings on the MacBook, please comment below and I'll help you with that. So if you liked my video, please hit a like button and subscribe to my channel for more such information videos on MacBook Pro. Thank you so much.